Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and we did get a retest, not a decent retest as far as I'm concerned. I would have preferred tails on this line, but this level here is 118.060, and obviously 118 is pretty close, so that's probably around there. 118. There we go. So yeah, so 118 was a break and then a retest, and we've bounced off 118. So I think it's safe to say that level's in. We've got a crossover brewing now. We are above the 155, but obviously we need to see all three moving averages cross over and point to the upside before we take that as a confirmation of a trend change. So moving down to the hour, that's the one that we're interested in. Buy the pullbacks. Yesterday was no different. I said to you there, you're looking to see what happens here. You can see pin bar, you see golfing bar, another pin bar. There's a pretty solid opportunity there to buy into this, and we had a fairly strong move to the upside. At the moment, I'm looking for pullbacks onto structure. First bit of structure is right here. So that's 118.317. I'm just going to use this bottom level here. And then you've got a little bit of structure here, which is also, it's kind of a gap. So in other words, price hasn't come back to test this break. So this bar bounced there, this next bar broke above that level there. Obviously that area was some form of resistance. We've broken through, we haven't come back to test it. So those are the two levels. So looking to buy off 118.317 or alternatively 118.232. The drill stays the same. You're looking for pin bars, pin bar, engulfing bar, or inside bars. That's what you're looking for off the level. US dollar, Japanese yen, big up, big down. Looks like we have tried to break through the top of 110.183. Look at the diversions here though. I'm not really keen on this pair at the moment. And you can see we have strong moves up. I mean, that was Tuesday's move, and then you've got Wednesday continued, and then massive moves to the downside. So yeah, there's a lot of noise around the dollar. So I just have a sneaky suspicion this dollar strength train is coming to an end. For as long as we're in the moving averages like this, I'm sit on the side. So I would have preferred to see pullback on structure and then build structure above the moving averages and then move up. But that doesn't look like it's happening. So I think this is still range bound. So I'll sit on the sides with that one. British pound, Japanese yen. We are sort of trending. Messy trend again, and this pair is just a messy trend. You can see how it's been the last couple of weeks. It's been all over the place, but as far as I'm concerned, we've had a long move down. Is this a retracement? Now we're breaking through the structure that I would have expected retracement to come off, and that's 151536. And you can see we've come back, we've broken through that level, come back, and it looks like we're testing there. I don't really see another level. The next level is all the way up here at the moment, and that is 152579. So if we look at the hour, maybe it tells us something different, but not really. So as far as I'm concerned at the moment, it looks like we have a trend to the upside on the hour, and we need to be going with this trend. So this is a half decent area to buy. There is a gap here, so you need to keep that in the back of your mind there. There's a bit of structure here, probably a bit around the trend line as well. There's 151300. So I'd be watching to see what happens in this area, 151300. If we start getting some positive price action, and again, it's inside bars, it's pin bars and engulfing bars off this level, and you've got a diagonal here as well, so it's an area of confluence. What you're looking for is price to come back onto there, and then another move to the upside. 50-50 call though, so small position and keep your stop as tight as possible. Lastly, Euro, British pound. So this has been in a downward trend for quite some time, and as I said last week, it looked like we had a break of the 155 and a retest, and that is continuing. Now I've got getting across over the other moving averages as well. So looking to buy, but there's no structure to buy off this at the moment. So if we look at the hour, you'll see what I mean. Buyers are coming in, but it's again, it's as messy as what it was on the way down. Yeah, we're coming to 155 at the moment, and sort of buying off these moving averages. No real structure. This area is an area of interest for me. That's 085945, but you can start just adding the next one in, which is 085893, and then there's another one a little bit further down here, which would be 085817. So look for a pullback onto any of these levels. Watch for price action. You're looking for pin bars. The pin bars are playing quite well. You're looking for inside bars, and you're looking for engulfing bars. That is your signal to get in, and then your stop is below that pattern. So I suspect this is, it's a fight at the moment to reverse the trend. So that's kind of what's going on. Oscillators will probably group into a buying area in the next 2 or 3 bars anyway. So that's kind of my plan here. Really expecting a bigger trend reversal here, and I think that is what's brewing. Anyway, that's kind of my view for Forex today. I hope it helps. Bear in mind, data is today and tomorrow as well, so quite a bit of noise coming into the market, so just be careful, keep those stops really tight. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.